Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to attach object to any surface. So now you can see that I have a Premiere Pro logo here, right? And here you can see there's a box beside and I just want to attach my Premiere Pro logo on the top side of my cubicle, right? So how I can do it? So first of all, you have to go to the effects center here. If you're not able to find the effect, you can just go to the windows and make sure there's a tick mark beside effect and you will be able to see here, right? Now you have to search here corner pins, and here you will find the option corner pins. Click and hold and drag it to your Premiere Pro logo. So make sure you have to drag it to your Premiere Pro logo, and this is here. Now if I just scroll a little bit downside in the effect control, I will able to see my, so you can see there are four sides basically. So these are the four sides of Premiere Pro. Now to attach it, you have to basically to fit it inside the box according to your requirement, and you can do very easily. So guys, now I have adjusted my Premiere Pro logo over here. By the way, you can do with the mouse from here, or you can also do with from here too. So these are the four sides, and basically you can just click and hold in your mouse and you can just do the changes, right? You can see the changes on the top right side corner. So basically this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.